guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi and thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe. I post videos every week and I'm having such a blast, so please do that and let's see what we're gonna be talking about today. Today we're gonna talk about Herbal Dynamics Beauty Travel Kit. In case you don't know about Herbal Dynamics Beauty, it's a brand of skincare that mixes natural ingredients with science, and they make the most amazing range of products. They have everything from like whatever oils you need for the face, serums, cleansers, toners, oils. They also have body products as well. So right now I'm going to be talking about their travel kit, but all of these products are also sold separately. So I want to talk to you guys about my experience. I had the opportunity to take them on a recent trip, and I know that sounds like, what do you mean recent? Like, yeah, it's recent, like at the start of the pandemic. So anyways, we're not talking about that. We're talking about the travel kit, and let me show you all the products that come with it. And of course, these are cruelty free, they're non-toxic, and these are actually really well priced. And I'm gonna leave the link on the description, and I also have a blog post already up on the blog about the travel kit, so make sure to check the blog as well. Let's get now to the fun part. Okay, I'm gonna start like in order like I use them. The Youth Refresh Hydrating Strawberry Antioxidant Cleanser, and it is a mouthful to say, but this cleanser is really good. It's actually, let me show you, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a really thick, like gel, like a jello consistency, and it's like really thick. It's almost like a gel. I like to use 2 or 3 pumps for this, and I find that it really removes all my makeup and the oils from the day and the dirt and all of that, but it doesn't strip my skin. It doesn't feel as dry when I rinse it and dry it. It doesn't feel dry at all. It feels really moisturized, so I find that to be really interesting, and I actually really like it a lot. I have to say, to remove my makeup with any cleanser, I do remove my eye makeup first with oil, and then I just take the remnants with cleanser. And so this one works perfectly for that. It doesn't lather that much, but it's not a factor to determine whether it works or not. I have found that my skin really likes it, and I especially like it when I'm traveling because I don't know if it's because the change of like weather or climate or whatever, my skin always breaks out when I travel, and I really like that this product is actually really gentle and it always calms my skin down. So this one I'm really loving for that. The next product I use is the Rose Water Calming Face Toner, and I'm in love with toners. I could use toners every single hour of the day, but this one has aloe vera, green tea, witch hazel, and chamomile, and so I have found that it really calms my skin, like especially the redness. It smells really nice. It smells like a garden of roses. The aloe vera makes it feel really refreshing and cooling, so I think this is going to go in my purse once the lockdown stops, because it's really hot in here and I'm gonna need something to refresh my face. The next product that I use is the Prickly Pear and Vitamin C Daily Face Moisturizer, and actually this one, oh my god, it's one of my favorites. It's really lightweight, so it doesn't really clog my skin. I tend to notice that when moisturizers are like on the thicker side, I break out a little bit, like almost like instantly, but this one feels so lightweight. Like I can imagine especially in this weather right now, it's getting really hot here in Arizona, and my skin is actually very much on the oily side, but this moisturizer has really helped to control the oil on my skin, and it feels amazing. It's really creamy but light at the same time. It also has hyaluronic acid, so that's really good to keep like the moisture on your skin. and it works really well under makeup. Most of the times I do 2 pumps. I feel like my skin loves it. It drinks it up right away, and it just makes it feel soft. It doesn't break it out. It doesn't make it oilier. It doesn't make it dry. So basically it ticks all my boxes. Next up, the Clean and Calm Cucumber Cooling Eye Cream. This one, you guys, has been the most helpful for my under eyes. It really helps to depuff, and actually that's something that I really struggle with when I travel, and I think most people do. Either like you're staying out till really late at night just partying, or you're waking up really early just to catch all the sights and all the museums. You get jet lagged, you just break your routine so much that you struggle with your sleep, and that's something that I really hate. That you can always tell on my eyes that I'm so tired just because my under eyes are so like puffy and tired. And this eye cream actually really helps them a lot. And the last product is this Hyaluronic Acid and Oat Overnight Recovery Mask. And this one, I was maybe a little bit skeptical that it would work on my skin just because it is so thick. The first time that I put it on, I can't really tell, but it's really thick. The first time I put it on my face, I was like, maybe this is gonna break me out, but we're gonna see. So I put it in, and it feels absolutely delicious. It's lightweight but really creamy at the same time, so you don't need a lot, but it really spreads really well over all of your face with only just like a little bit. And the next morning, my skin was like a baby's bum. It was so freaking soft and no breakouts, you guys. I was really impressed. Literally, it doesn't matter. I struggle. I have told you before, I struggle even with like natural skincare. If the creams are really thick, my skin breaks out. I guess it clogs my skin or something. I don't know. But this one didn't. I really like to use this like once or twice a week, and that way I know when I wake up my skin is gonna feel amazing. It's gonna feel plump and soft and no breakouts. So yeah, so it's a really good mask, and yeah, my skin loves it. The travel kit comes with this little travel bag that's TSA approved, and all of these products are TSA approved. I think it's like 2 ounces at the maximum, and this one's the bigger one, and it's 2 ounces. And yeah, so they all fit in here really nicely, and so that makes it super convenient. When you're traveling, you don't have to worry about your skincare because everything fits in here. And even if you're bringing a carry-on, you don't have to worry. Everything fits in here. Aside from it being a super convenient and really awesome travel kit, it's also a great way to try different products before committing to the full size. And I'm telling you, I'm sure you won't regret using these products, but this is still a way that you can try different products. They're bigger than a sample size, and yeah, so you get to use them more than a few times, and you can convince yourself that they will work for your skin or not. But they also have other amazing products. I'm telling you guys, this brand is really, really good. You should check them out. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have tried these products, if you like them, or if you have tried any other products from Herbal Dynamics Beauty. And please let me know what else you want to see. I'm really liking creating all this content for you, and there's definitely more coming. Stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends and family, because I'll be posting videos every week, and I might be trying to do more. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.